Hello, everyone. My name is Dwayna Respis Palmer. I hope everyone is doing well, especially during COVID. I will be introducing the conditioning presentation to you all. Just an FYI, I am a notes person, so if you see me looking down or looking off to the side, it is because I have a stack of notes in front of me, and I just want to make sure that I stay on target. Um, the mental health condition that will be addressed in this presentation is gender dysphoria. I have introduced myself, and my partner for this project is Michaela Salima. What to expect from this presentation? Michaela will be identifying and defining gender dysphoria. She will explain the DSM-5 characteristics and criteria for gender dysphoria. I will present an article that discusses the psychological and physiological characteristics of adolescents ages 12 to 24 that have been diagnosed with gender dysphoria. The video presentation of a person living with gender dysphoria is Sunny Miller. Sunny Miller describes her life as a person with gender dysphoria. She explains her internal conflict that she went through deciding to make the transition from man to woman. Also, she goes into detail about what gender dysphoria is and just her struggles with suicidal ideation. Um, we also have provided 3 websites on the topic of gender dysphoria and transgender. I hope that you enjoy the presentation and thank you so much for your time. I also want to just address that, if this is your area of employment currently, or if this is your area that you're looking to be employed, I hope that you gather as much information as possible. I hope that we have enlightened you as to what gender dysphoria is, and if this isn't, I just hope that you have found something to take away from this presentation. Again, I want to thank you so much. And I hope that it wasn't too painful or boring.